Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to grow a membership program specifically inside of Systeme.io. I say this all the time. Systeme.io is my specific and most trusted software of choice for anyone who's looking to start an online business, because not only is it easy to use, it is also inexpensive to use compared to every other competitor out there or any other alternative that you might want to go look at. So I'm going to talk about how you can do that, why memberships are so powerful, what to offer the membership program, how you can make it valuable for your audience, how to grow your membership program and how to drive traffic to it. And I'm going to walk you through inside of the software itself how to set one up. It's pretty easy, straight to the point. It should take less than 5 minutes, quite honestly. So let's get right into it. But before I do that, I want to specifically invite you into my Digital Mastery membership, because quite honestly, I get a ton of questions, comments, DMs, people looking to have me answer specific questions about building funnels, driving traffic, how to make money online, and things of that nature. And quite honestly, there's only so many messages I can answer to at once. And the Digital Mastery membership community is where you can work with me directly. It's super affordable. You get weekly live calls, funnel tech support, ads training, organic content strategy, email list building, one-on-one weekly Q&A, exclusive members area, and so many more. So if you're looking to join a community where you will get all the support you need in order to start your online business, the Digital Mastery community is that community for you. So go check it out. Link will be in the description. And as an insider, as a frequent viewer of this channel, you'll be able to get 30% off for life if you sign up using the coupon code below. It's only available for the first 20 to 30 people. So if you're watching this right now, go grab it. If you try it in the future, if it works, congratulations, you just saved a lot of money. But let's get right into the video, which is what is really important today. So let's answer the question, why are memberships so powerful? Well, in my opinion, I feel like memberships are the one type of data product that allows you to have a true impact in the lives and the businesses of your audience. Of course, digital courses are great. You can sell ebooks and templates and all these things. But if you want to have a direct impact on the people and have them see specific results where you can hold them by the hand and guide them through the specific hoops that they have to jump through, I think memberships are the most powerful tool to do that. And also, let's look at the income side of things, right? Of course, you can sell a course, you can sell a template. That is just one time, right? People just pay once and that's it. So you have to always constantly find new people to buy that program. But with a membership, it's going to be a recurring income. Say, for example, you charge $100 for your membership every single month. I'm not saying you should go to charge $100. Even I am not charging $100. But just as an example, you're charging $100 and you have about 30 people in your membership. That is a guaranteed $3,000 per month income stream every single month, as long as you keep bringing in new members and you don't have a lot of people leave the membership. And that is why I think membership is one of the most powerful ways of starting a digital product business. And the third reason why I think memberships are so powerful is because, one, it does not require a lot from you. Of course, you have to set specific requirements, meaning what are people going to gain if they join the membership, and you just have to stick to those requirements. But I always recommend that you go above and beyond for your members so that they feel like they get a lot of value. Not just feel, they know that they're getting a lot of value. So you want to go above and beyond, but you don't have to go beyond the specific expectations that you've set. For example, in my membership, I say that you get live weekly Q&A. That could be one-on-one, it could be in a group setting. Right now, I'm still trying to keep it simple, just trying to talk to everyone that joins the membership one-on-one. I'm trying to see exactly what the pain point is, what it is that I can help them with so that they can get the best result. So the fact that you don't have to go beyond your specific end goals or your specific expectations is one reason why I think memberships are so powerful. And if you do it right, it means that you can set very specific goals and have them stick to that, and you can stick to that as well. And you have a lot of free time to do whatever it is that you want to do. Let's talk about what to offer in your membership program. Now, this is really powerful because you want to ensure that the people you enroll into your membership, they're getting a lot of value. They're not just paying some specific amount every single month and they're not getting really anything. So for memberships, I think what most people value, I believe what most value is the fact that they get to work with someone one-on-one, live, or whatever means that you choose to do it. At least in my case, I try to incorporate some element of live calls so that people can ask me questions directly. And I think this is the biggest value you can offer to your membership community. Let people be able to ask you questions directly, because the reason why people want to be that, I mean, they could have just gone ahead and gotten any course or just on YouTube and watch videos, but they want answers to some specific questions. And I know that I'm not going to be able to answer these questions in my comments, in my DMs, because I don't want to keep answering the same questions over and over again. So if I can have people join me once a week, have a call with me, then I can answer those specific questions. I can have those calls recorded, and people who join after, I can simply refer them back to those calls and say, if you have specific questions, go here, go there. And I think that is the best way to do it. So you can offer that, or materials that will help people develop themselves and help them move forward in the online business. So there's no specific guideline to what you should offer in a specific membership program. It depends on what the end goal is, what you are trying to help your members achieve, and you can craft your offerings in line with those goals. Anything that will help them go from point A to point B is absolutely what you should be offering in your membership. And of course, you still have to be careful not to overdo it. So you want to find the fine line between not overdoing or under delivering and over delivering. But I always err on the side of over delivering every single time, because if you give value, it is definitely going to come back to you. Now let's talk about the third one, which is like the elephant in the room. How do you grow your membership program? Now this is not an easy feat at all, because growing a membership program means that you have to be constantly getting eyeballs on your offerings. Now I tell people every single time, content creation is the most unfair advantage that our generation have, because if you look at previous generations, they didn't have all the tools that we have today. Look at YouTube. You can simply post a video and it goes viral and you get a bunch of people. You can post a video on TikTok and the same thing happens. Same thing with Instagram. We have so many platforms today that you can start putting content out on that will guarantee that over time you will get some type of traction. I've been doing YouTube for a while, and it took me a while before I started getting some traction, even in my second channel. But I know for sure that the more value I put out, the more value is going to come to me. And I've seen a lot of rapid growth with this channel. Over the last couple of months, we just passed over 2,000 subscribers. Getting a ton of views, and people sign up, to the lead magnets and the programs that I put out, which has been really good to see. But if you want to drive sustainable recurring members into your community, you need to have a sustainable way of making content that is going to guarantee that people are going to see it. Now, if you are a video type of person, I would say that you should try to at least get on any of these platforms. It could be on YouTube, TikTok, whatever that is. Try to get on these platforms and try putting out content in a consistent fashion. And I would say give it anywhere from 3 to 6 months. And I can guarantee that if you are consistent within this time period, you will get some traction. When I first got my first viral video on TikTok, it took me about 4 days of consistently posting content. Of course, the landscape has shifted a little bit now, but it is still fairly the same. It's all about consistency and putting out great value. So you can rest assured that if you do that, you will be able to drive eyeballs and be able to drive memberships into your community. And as you do that, you want to make sure that you're giving a lot of value. Lead magnets are a perfect way to do that. Put out things of value for free that people can join, and then help them on the back end using email sequences. This is some of the things or tactics or strategies that I teach in my membership community. So if you want to learn all those things that I talk about, so make sure to use a discount code, join the membership community, and you will be able to learn all these things in depth. There's only so much I can talk about in one YouTube video. And the last thing I want to talk about here is how to really set up your membership, your community inside of System.io. Now it's really simple. I'm not going to take your time. Once you sign up, in fact, with this $27 plan, you will be able to have a membership community inside of your System account. So if you go here to your product section, you go to communities, it's going to take you to your community section where you'll be asked to create. Now all you have to do is create a community. I'm going to call it test community, and you're going to link it, of course, to one of your domain names. I'm going to use this domain name right here, and it's going to give you a path, meaning the URL to the community, and you do save, and boom, that is it. That is how you create your community on Sendai.io. But you still need one more thing, and that is your storefront. How do people find your community, and how do they learn what you have in your community, which is where the landing page or your sales page is really important as well. Now, I have a sales page right here. This is an example of it for my Digital Mastery community, and right here is where I highlight some of the things that people will get access to once they sign up for that community. Now, this is the page, and just to add again, you will be able to get access to this funnel that I use once you sign up to my membership community using the link down in the description. I'm going to give you this funnel that I use so you can replicate the same thing with my guide, of course, and just go ahead and just start your own thing. So this is where people learn about your digital membership. They learn about what's in it for them, and once they click this button right here, it takes them to the next page. Here's how you enter your debit card or credit card, and you get access to that community. So it's pretty simple. As you can see right now, the opportunities are just endless if you are willing to put in the work and try to make this work for you. So again, if you've been sitting on the sidelines and you're just waiting to get started, this is the opportunity to do that. Go to the link down in the description, grab the code, save 30% when you join the Digital Mastery online community. And if this video has been helpful, consider subscribing. Any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get to them. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now.